Hi guys! Spring is beautiful, but my allergies are not. I have stuffy nose, itchy eyes, and I keep sneezing. Achoo! Many people in Korea at this time of the year in spring have pollen allergies. I do too. I also have rhinitis, PM. In English, we call this seasonal allergies. These allergies are killing me. I hope you can just enjoy the lovely weather. It is lovely, springy, picnicky, and there's no microdust today, so air is so fresh and clean. I hope you guys have a lovely day. I'll see you again. Bye, toodles!